Hello and welcome to the third day of VEDA, the Persimmon Challenge with Jory Caron. Today I am steeping this beautiful, beautiful persimmon in this mug. I've already done it, but I really wanted this sound effect. Doesn't that really add something to it? Okay, yeah. Quit stealing my thunder. So I steeped this for a while, and then I let it cool down because don't really want super hot stuff. So here we go. It's like an iced tea. It really doesn't transfer into the water that well. You'd think maybe the heat would break it down, and it doesn't. It doesn't even remotely break it down. It's squishy, but still sandpaper.
Jory's on a mission.